In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use boards in Miro. We'll start right from the moment you open Miro. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard. This is where all your existing boards live, and it's also where you create new ones. Look for the option that says New Board. It's usually near the top or in a prominent button on the page. Go ahead and click that to start a fresh board. As soon as you create the new board, Miro will open it in a new workspace. Before you do anything else, it's a good idea to rename your board so you can easily find it later. At the top of the screen, you'll see the default board name. Click on it and type in something descriptive, like your project name or meeting topic. This makes collaboration and organization much simpler, especially if you use Miro often. Now let's explore what you can do on your board. Look toward the top or center area of the interface where you'll see options related to the board itself. When you click on the board's name or main dropdown, you'll see a set of actions you can perform, such as managing settings, exporting, or moving the board. This menu is your central hub for board-level controls. Next, find the option labeled Details. Clicking on Details will open up more information about the board, including things like who owns it, where it's stored, and sometimes a brief description. This is useful for keeping track of context, especially when you're collaborating with a team across multiple projects. Within these options, look for a highlight or emphasis feature. Clicking on Highlight allows you to draw attention to specific parts of your board content. This can mean visually emphasizing a region or element during a workshop or presentation, so everyone knows exactly where to focus. From the same area, you'll also see an export option. Click on Export when you need to save your board as an image or PDF, or share a static version with someone who doesn't use Miro. This is perfect for documentation or sending summaries after a session. You'll also see a Move To option. Click on Move To if you want to change which project or team space your board belongs to. This keeps your workspace organized as your boards evolve. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a vertical toolbar. Click through these tools to add shapes, sticky notes, text, connectors, and more. This is how you actually build out your ideas on the board. Finally, look to the upper right corner of the screen. From here, you can share your board with others by inviting collaborators, adjusting permissions, or copying a link. You can also access presentation or collaboration modes, which help you present your board in a clean, focused way during meetings. By following these steps, you'll have a well-named, organized Miro board, fully set up with the right tools and sharing options so you can collaborate effectively.